How to play World Cup in FC24. So if you want to play World Cup in FC24, or if it is still available to play World Cup in FC24, so make sure that you stay until the very end. So the World Cup is actually no longer available in FC24 for in any way, including the player career mode. So the licensing agreement at the World Cup is a tournament that is held every 4 years. So the most recent one was in 2022, and when fans get to watch Messi in Argentina finally lift the trophy that may inspire them to try and do so in FC24. But that is no longer possible because it was in FIFA 2023. So it's not possible to play World Cup in FC24. It has been removed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.